Quite a lot of background sounds, and I apologize over that. Okay, and then just gotta copy the link. Invites. No? Invites. And there we go. And there's the invite, I believe. Um, yeah, I think that's it. Okay. So I'm just gonna mess around here until someone joins in. Okay. Uh, I can listen to music. I don't think I did a bad job on the little live thingy. Let me see how put back it is. Actually, let me see if I can hear myself. Oh god, hearing myself is weird. Okay. Whoa, that was loud. So yeah, I'm gonna say you can hear me properly. So, I'm just gonna make something and just check the chat momentarily. Let's see how delayed it is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 seconds. It's actually not that bad. That's a lot less than what it normally is. Okay. And there we go. Ah, when in doubt, make a button. That's what I always say. Cause there's nothing wrong with making a button. So there we go. I'm gonna just make a button game. I like my things equal. Okay. And then I just scale this down. Boom. Scale this up a bit. There you go. Just move this downwards over here. Exactly in the middle of all of this. Oh, never mind. Top view. Oh god, moving in top view is also is so weird. No? I got a message somewhere. I don't think it's there. Okay, I'm gonna go on Do Not Disturb. uh, yeah. Okay, I feel like that's good. So I'm gonna make this black and neon because I like how that looks. Size, I'm gonna scale this to 0, and 0. Oh my god, I was muted. Whoopsie daisy. Wait, would I press the mute? My period mutes me. I did not know that. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna add the script to this that makes wow. Wait, do. I think it's Y to make it gyrate. Um, let's check and just run it. Yeah, it's that one, and it's not that choppy. It's pretty fast. I want it to go a bit faster though, because that's kind of easy to dodge. There we go. So we have an entire mini game down, and just with this simple script. Now let me show you how. So let's go to replicated storage and make a folder. We call this folder mini games, and we call this spinner game. You place this in here. Now with this is the button, and we add a click detector to it. That way it can detect when a player, any player, clicks on it. And let's add a boolean, I believe is the thing. Yeah, check mark. Boom, boom. And this is going to be called activated. So we can check if it's activated. We can do this in the script. I don't know. I prefer not to. So local activation, activated, activate equals script. I press period again. So yeah, I have a problem. Let me change my settings really quickly because period is how I mute myself. Yeah, mute is period. I'm gonna have to make that. No, backslash, I think is good because you don't really use backslash a lot. So local p, we can call it anything. Local random number equals, and let's not give that a value yet. And there's more things we can do, but that's up to like what we kind of need right now. So let's make a function. A function, pick a game. And now we add the thingy-mabob. We say random number equals math.random dot wait, no, okay, wait, whoopsie daisy. We gotta make a table first of all the values of the mini games. So let's make some random ones. Let's make a part that says, that has a script that says warn p. Well, wait, do warn and in works and script dot parent equals workspace, because equals just means that it like there's equals, which is like b equals p. That is not what I wanted to write, but okay, sure. B equals physical properties, and there's b equals physical properties, whatever the flip. This is if b equals physical properties, and this is b just equals physical properties. So those are our two mini games. You go back here and we make local table equals, wait, table equals table dot create count, and then it's, I think it's game dot replicated storage dot mini games dot get children. Let me check actually, print table, because I ain't sure. So let's run this. Oh, let's make a local games equals a number of games equals, actually wait, local table, and then for I comma number of games in pairs do uh child game name in pairs, and then it's games, I believe. Yeah. Do table create I comma game name and print table dot one, I think is how you do it. I do not remember. uh Check the number got table. Oh wait, did I not run it yet? Yeah, I didn't run it. Whoopsie daisy. Part, and that is the name. Okay. So now that we have this, and we have a table created that makes all the games in here. So function pick name can go random number equals math dot random dot 0 comma number of games, and then after that, after we get this, it'll pick a random number from 0 to the number of games. So it can go 0, 1, and 2. Actually, wait, no, it has to be 1 and number of games because it can't go at 0, I think. Yeah, because 1 is that one. So then we get that, and we go um, local game picked equals table dot, and then this, and then the random number dot clone game picked dot parent equals game dot workspace, and then warn game dot dot dot, or is it just 2 dots? I think it's 2 dots. And then we add 2 spaces right there. And I think that's how it works. And then if script dot parent dot on dot mouse click, I think it is. Yeah, mouse click connect, and then we go pick game. So let's play and let's see if it worked. If it did, I'm gonna feel stupid because it's worked up till now. Okay. So here's it. Here's the thing. Here's the button. And output, it picks game 1. So it picked P, and that one does nothing. Now let's run it a couple of times to make sure that it actually does pick between the two, because it would be kind of dumb if it didn't. Okay, that can't be a sign. That is probably a sign that it didn't work. Number of games plus 1. And now let's see if it picks, because it should be a number between 1 and 3 now. Game number 2 picked. Oh wait, whoopsie daisy. So let's make sure and just rename eggs. Well, let's just do this instead of this thing, because this thing works. Let's do while, wait, one, do, pick a game. Just for us to see what it picks. If it only picks the first one. To index node with clone. It was working. What the flip? Table dot. Let's try this. Oh wait, it probably picked 3 for like the first time ever. So let's try this. Because it was picking 1 every second, so it's like so eggs, print, wait, and then return. How about that? So that it doesn't spam it. So pick 2, pick 2, pick 2, picked 1. Wait, why did it pick the exact same one? Print tablet. So it's just eggs twice. I wonder why. Not name, and then, oh, maybe I need to return. Whoopsie daisy, that is not what I need to do. I would ask if anyone has suggest. Oh my god, hi. I'm embarrassed now. I'm having a couple difficulties. I apologize. I'm making a random game picker, but this one is kinda breaking. Because I forgot how to make it so it actually grabs everything. Game name in pairs game. For child in pairs, let's do print game. I feel like I'm missing a very important part. Spinner game. That's, oh, so that's what was added this time. Spinner game and eggs. But then it ended up just being eggs for some reason. So let me try to figure this out. Hmm. Get children do. Hmm. Let me try to figure this out, because there's no way I'm messing this up. For I equals 1, number of children 2, child equals child in I. Is it in I pairs? If an I messed up this entire thing, I'm gonna be no. Wasn't the I? It's getting rewritten somehow. Whoopsie daisy. Um, it's probably for I. It's not comma, maybe for I equals 1, comma. No, because yeah, it is this. What am I doing wrong? Uh-oh. Let me try to figure this out. Hmm. Why can't I add them to a table? How about this print? I. So if both 1 and 2 got picked, how come X is the only thing in the table? Hmm. This is interesting. Let me figure this out before I actually like. Should have probably thought this out. Uh, let's see. What am I messing up? Okay, there's probably something really simple that I'm messing up. It's not this, I think. No, because then it prints the table, and the table is the exact same thing, eggs both times. Hmm. There's gotta be something really simple I'm missing. Actually, can't I just... If the table has its name, then it doesn't re-put it in the table. I can do that just to try it out, I believe. Hmm. Okay. And also if table, if table dot I swan equals else, it does this. Dot remove. Okay, let's try that. I don't think it's gonna work like at all, but we can try. Table expected got a number. Table dot remove. Moves a specified element from the array, shifting later elements down to fill the empty space of the table has been that is having an element removed. Oh, it's like that. Okay, my bad. Whoopsie daisy. Let's see. I'm back. Okay, so. Huh. Okay, let me think. So it's not this. Let's take out this thingy, because that was a fever dream of mine to think that would work. Hmm. Oh, wait, it makes a whole new one. Oh my god. Equals display equals table dot create 0, comma p and table dot add is probably what I'm looking for. Table dot remove create. It turns a new table populated with many instances. Find max in pack. So insert. Oh god. I feel stupid now. So inserts I. So it's table. Game name. So let's see if this works now. I'm teaching myself right now, goddamn. I should probably know this. Uh, hmm. Table dot insert, but table. Oh wait, oopsie daisy. Table dot insert. It's probably that. Let's see. And now it works. Let's go. Yeah. So let me explain the mistake I made. I'm probably gonna remake this so I can show. So the script for this is that I showed that at the beginning. So the way this works is the local activator, I already explained that, the get children. So you make a table, and the way you make a table is you go local, whatever the flip equals, and then you do the little bracket thingies. And I think to make an array, you do that, and then like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's an array. And then a table is the other one, which is just, oop. So you make the table, and then you use table.insert, not table.create, because table.create creates a whole new table, and that's just annoying, because that resets all the values you had before. So this is the main script. So now we delete this, because now we don't need it. And now we make this and say if script dot activated, yeah, equals true, then return warn already in use, else wait 5 script dot activated equals false, and then we say script dot activated equals true, and that should be everything we need to set up, and then we can just focus on making little games. I'm gonna make a couple and then I'll like stop the tutorial, and I'll rename it to how to make a button game. So let's see, does it work? It's not. It is. Huh. I'm gonna call it Ligma, so I can see if it really is just script.ligma, script.ligma activated ligma. I need to make that button bigger. That is a very big problem. Alright. Okay, so we press it and ligma is not a valid member of script. Ruh-roh raggy. I am quite sure it is. Pop off, I guess. Script dot. Let me do this. Find first child ligma dot enabled. I kind of also forgot to add this, which is incredibly important. The enabled thing, or else it's just not gonna work. Alright, there we go. Let's see if this works now. It's not. Okay, now at least it knows it's a bool value. If it's not, it's just value. How do I rename that? I can't rename it. Whoopsie daisy. Enabled, and then enabled, replace that with value. Bet you didn't know about this, huh? That's a cool little trick I learned on Microsoft Word. And it saved me a lot of time changing stuff I mess up. Okay. So let's go check this out. Boop. So it picked that one. Boop. It's already in use. It waits 1, 2. Local mod shoot. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. Okay, it has both of them. I just got unlucky twice. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. You gotta be shitting me. I'm sorry, excuse my language. It's pick 2 every single time? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. So, there we go. Now, let's make it so the games only last a certain period of time. So, let's say on average is going to last around 20 seconds. So for the spinner game, we're going to make it so that it's after wait 20 seconds and script.parent equals game.workspace, which is the same thing I did here if you remember. So, well, I mean like kind of. Wait, I did script.parent. Oh yeah. Wait, that's not how it's supposed to work. Oh no, that is how it's supposed to work. I'm going insane. And then script.parent.destroy. Oh, wait a minute. And then I gotta make a second script inside of it, and I'm gonna call this deletion script. That is not deletion script. There we go. So local time to delete equals 20. So it goes while wait do if script.parent.parent equals game.workspace, then wait 20. Oh, wait, time to delete script.parent.destroy. And now I can copy this script into everything. And as long as like I want it to delete it, it's in the time. So here, it'll wait 20 and then delete itself. I'm gonna add this script, Control C, Control Shift V in here. So it does the exact same thing, but only if it's in workspace. So, yeah. So they all last 20 seconds. And now let me actually, because I have a very big issue with this. And it's the fact that it's way too dang small. What? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's good. think that's a good size. It seems scaled. And then there we grab these and we put them in here. We grab these two and we delete them. And bada bing, bada boom. So play. And let's see if it works as intended. Oh, hello to the one person watching. Hi. Uh-huh. Pick the game one. God darn it. Oh my god. Now I have to wait 20 seconds. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna do something really cool called boop, and then I'm gonna put this in server storage because I do not want to deal with it. And there we go. It now does. I do not have to deal with it anymore, and it'll just pick the spinner game, which it actually does something. And yay! So it'll go on for around 30 seconds, I believe. Let's see, 20 seconds. And then it'll stop. Attempted to index no with parents. Doesn't matter. Let's see if it works again. It does. So yeah, the system works. So, and there we go. Mini games. So this is how you make a button game. I'm going to upload this as like a public thing so you can download it. Really quickly though, I'm gonna explain everything. So at the start, we made the button, we made a little button model, we made the base, and we added a click detector to it. A click detector allows you to click on the sphere on top of the button and be able to just be able to activate the function inside of the script. If we look at the script has activate, so I didn't have to type script.findFirstChild ligma.value every single time. However, I did. Because I'm a little stupid. Local random numbers to be able to store a random number, which we use right here. Local games equals games.replicated storage.minigames.get children, which is one of the most important things of this entire thing, because it lets us pick a random game. Local table, which creates a table. Then next, there's for I, comma, game name. Wait, yeah, for I, comma, game name. In I pairs and the little thingamabobs do. If game name dot parent equals game dot replicated storage on minigames. I don't really need this part of the script. However, I do have it just for safety reasons. Print game name. The game's names are all stored here because this gets the name of the game, and this get actually no. This is like this is a local basically, and this just grabs the games in order and puts them as the local. And this I is just the number at which it grabbed it. So for example, if it grabbed eggs, the eggs is the first one. So it would go I equals 1, game name equals eggs. So print game name, that is eggs, print I, that is 1, table.insert table, which is this table, and it inserts the game name into the table. So now eggs is equal to the first value on our table since there's no other values found in it. Then it runs again for how many games there is in here. And there's 2, so it only runs twice. So there, at the end, there's only 2 values. Well, there was 1 right here because I took eggs out, but you get what I mean. There's 2 values in our table. Function pick a game. So we created a function outside of this to be able to like, because I just personally like it more. I find it a little bit more organized because we can close it. So if script dot find first child ligma, it looks inside of the script's children and it finds the first child called ligma, and it gets its value. and the value is true, then it returns and warns already a use. So the player cannot click on it multiple times as to not like spawn 90 million spinners. So script.find first child ligma.value equals true. If this isn't true, then it makes it true, so the player cannot click on it. It picks a random number from 1 to the number of games, and the local game picked equals table.random number, which is the random number we picked, and it clones it, and then it puts it in the workspace. And then we warn game and the number was picked. You add two dots to be able to like add a value. See right there. So wait, and it waits 20 seconds because that's how long both of our games last. And it finds the first child called Ligma and it makes it false. And then it runs it every time the mouse clicks on the click detector. So then we made P, which is just when this is clicked and the object is in workspace, it warns P. And for this, we made it so that while it's in the workspace, the part orients around itself by 10 degrees so that it spins and it looks cool. And then the deletion script, which is the last thing we made, was we set up the time to delete, which is 20 seconds, while wait to script.parent.parent equals, and if script.parent.parent equals game.workspace, then it waits the time to delete and then it destroys the part. So the next thing can spawn and there won't be like a bunch of things spawned in together at the same time. And that's about it. I will upload this to Roblox and then I will put the link in the description so that you may download it if that's what you wish. So game name button game tutorial. You can build off of it. You can simply just add more games and script them yourself and it'll automatically pick them. You just need to add the time of deletion and tweak around how long your games want how long you want the games to last, and that's about it. So yeah, remember I do have a Discord server where we do tutorials like this, except a little bit more like engaging, because everyone's asleep right now, and so I don't really have anyone to talk with. But if you were to join the Discord server, we could talk while I'm doing this tutorial, and you can tell me what you want to learn. Anyways, thank you for listening. I hope you have an amazing day, and goodbye.